Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our beautiful Air 5 full arch door kit. So we're on this beautiful Air 5 door. I can't tell you guys how much we love these Air 4, Air 5s. I mean, I'm sure you probably see it all over our Instagram, but we love these things. I think we've done fairly well. The story behind these guys is I always wanted these things for a house I was building at some point in my life, and my dad was always making the scrolly doors. And then one thing led to another, and then we started making these doors out of nowhere, and just kind of it was a trickle effect from there. But let's talk about the door. 1-inch frame, okay? This is a 42 by 96 inch door. So let me explain that. So 42 inches from outside to outside, 96 inches from the top of the peak to the bottom of the threshold. Rough opening for framers, 1 inch larger, please. Go 43 or 44, whatever you feel comfortable with, by 96. And the reason why I say whatever you feel comfortable with, because you can always shim in. That's easier than moving 2x4s and making things larger. That's all gonna matter on how straight the floors are that you're gonna put it on. That's why you need a little bit more width. This is a right-hand in-swing, which means this door opens inside to the right wall, okay? This is a 1-inch frame all the way around. We have this door in a flat top, arch top, a mini arch that we just announced, that we just launched in December of 2019. Also in a double door, obviously. This is low-E glass. We use a 1-inch T-bar, so this divide is 1 inches. These are all individually cut pieces of glass and put into these squares. This is not one piece of glass with these pieces stuck onto the glass, okay? So this is it's called a true divide door. So this is pretty legit, guys. Another thing, all boreholes already done, ready to go. Our standard doors that we carry in our website, in our stock, have these standard bores, which is 5.5 from center to center and 2 3/4 back set with a 2-inch thick door, for a 2-inch thick door. We can also do any kind of hardware you want to do on custom orders. You can send us the hardware, we'll make the door around that. This is a black door. You can get this door in different colors if you need to. And obviously you can get it in different glass too if you want. And the glass is a 1/4-inch piece of glass, 1/4-inch spacer, 1/4-inch piece of glass, total of 5/8 thick tempered glass, okay? So you get safety, super thick for noise and energy efficiency and safety, obviously. And looks awesome. Let me flip this around, show you guys the other side. Okay, we're on the back side of the Air 5. These are our little aluminum beveled pieces that we use to actually lock the glass in. Awesome look. It's flat on the exterior side and beveled on the interior side. Let me show you guys what the roller catches look like. So these are our roller catches. This is what actually keeps, notice how tight it was to open it. These things are over adjusted right now, so you can take them in and out. That's gonna save your locks over time. So from the door flopping around, if you have cheap locks, it'll break them over time, so we put those in so it prevents that. Also, all these things are all laser cut, clean, beautifully done. It's all tapped for you guys to put the plates in. Threshold. Threshold is one piece with the frame, so it makes it easy for you guys to install. Just follow the instructions we give you on how to level. What else? That's pretty much it, I think. But it's got full weather seals all the way around. It's got little grease nipples on top, so you can grease the fittings over time. If it starts sounding like a dungeon door, you just put a grease gun on it, pump some grease in there, and I'll eliminate the sound. That way you don't have to take the door off, but that's why we put those in. Weather seals all the way around. It also has a bottom swipe on it. Keep it nice and airtight. Pretty much it. And guys, this is pretty much as small as we can get these things down to. I'm sure over time we can engineer it better and better, but as of right now, we've gotten it down to this. Hinges are all welded on, and compare this to an aluminum or wooden door. you know, you probably have like a 4 or 6 inch border on the aluminum or wood door, where with the steel we have a 2 1/4 inch reveal on this. The material sizes are changing, so you can't quote me on that, but we always try to slim them down as little as we try to take them down as much as we can. So we're always trying to find new ways of tooling to make new tubes to actually get them down that low. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next door. Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our full arch door, Air 5 full arch door showcase today. If you guys have any questions, leave us some comments. We'll get to those as soon as we can, or I can. Or you can call us 844-843-6677 or info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info@pinkysirondoors.com. Thank you.